Hi, Pete Hendrix here. We have a launch next Wednesday at 10 a.m. Eastern. But first, Hennessy Cognac, the best-selling cognac in the world, comes from a dynasty that's over 260 years old. They were critical to the development of the age labels used today, which they did around 1815. Cognac is a type of brandy, meaning that it's made from distilling wine. Now, you wondering if we're getting into the infomercial business? No, we're not. The rest of the story is that Kilian Hennessy started a perfume house in 2007 based on the idea of producing fragrances inspired by his family heritage. The company, Kilian Paris, has produced multiple top-selling parfums. The Golden Pour is inspired by Angel Share on the Rocks, a flanker of Angel Share that was released in 2025. It was voted one of the top unisex fragrances in the 2025 Fragrantica Reader's Choice Award. 2.5 million votes were cast for this project. Primary accords are citrus, woody, warm, and spicy. Note that even with these primary accords, it's a year-round fragrance. Top notes are a menagerie of different citruses. Middle notes are cognac, cinnamon, and caramel, with the base notes being tonka bean, which I love, and several different woods and myrrh. Lexi, tell us what you think of this one.
I honestly was a little worried at first because of the bourbon and all that. I didn't know if it would be a little alcohol heavy, but once I smelled it for the first time, I actually thought it was very fresh. It's definitely like citrusy. I definitely get that woody scent. I definitely agree that it's a year-round fragrance for sure. I really like this launch a lot.
Good. Good. So there you have it, folks. Hope that we'll... Oh, and also it will be available from Hendrix Classics, from the Razor Company, and at Pasteur's. Thank you.